Unraveling the phrase, advantage out. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, advantage out. It's a term you might have heard on the tennis court or during a strategy meeting. But what does it really mean? Stick around as we break it down and help you use it correctly in English conversations. Advantage out originates from the sport of tennis, where it signifies a crucial point in a game. When the score is tied at 40-40, it's called deuce. From deuce, if the player who is serving loses the next point, the score is called advantage out, indicating that the receiver has the advantage. If the receiver wins the next point, they win the game. Outside of tennis, advantage out is often used metaphorically. It can describe a situation where someone has gained a beneficial position over others. For example, if a company has a more innovative product than its competitors, it has an advantage out in the marketplace. Let's look at how to integrate this phrase into everyday English. In a debate, when someone makes a point that the other can't counter, they have an advantage out. During sales, if a product is sold at a lower price than others, that product has an advantage out due to its pricing. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of advantage out for you. Remember, it's all about having that edge over someone or something else. Use it to describe situations where there's a clear advantage at play. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.